تعلم الإنجليزية مع سوبر أكاديمو.
Dad.
Dad.
My dad loves to spend time with us on the weekends.
My dad loves to spend time with us on the weekends.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Dad cooked a delicious dinner for us.
Dad cooked a delicious dinner for us.
Door.
Door.
I opened the door and entered the room.
I opened the door and entered the room.
Eat.
Eat.
They love to eat pizza on Friday nights as a treat.
They love to eat pizza on Friday nights as a treat.
Eggs.
Eggs.
I like to eat scrambled eggs for breakfast.
I like to eat scrambled eggs for breakfast.
8.
8.
There are 8 people in our family.
There are 8 people in our family.
5.
5.
I counted to 5 before starting the game.
I counted to 5 before starting the game.
4.
4.
We bought 4 apples from the grocery store.
We bought 4 apples from the grocery store.
Fruit.
Fruit.
I love eating fresh fruit in the summertime.
I love eating fresh fruit in the summertime.
Games.
Games.
We played games at the park with our friends.
We played games at the park with our friends.
Grandma.
Grandma.
Grandma baked delicious cookies for us.
Grandma baked delicious cookies for us.
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Grandpa told us stories from his childhood.
Grandpa told us stories from his childhood.
Grapes.
Grapes.
I picked some grapes from the vineyard.
I picked some grapes from the vineyard.
Grown-ups.
Grown-ups.
The grown-ups had a meeting in the conference room.
The grown-ups had a meeting in the conference room.
Hat.
Hat.
She bought a new hat to match her outfit.
She bought a new hat to match her outfit.
Help.
Help.
Can you help me carry these bags?
Can you help me carry these bags?
From small things, big things grow. من الأشياء الصغيرة تنمو الأشياء الكبيرة. يعني لا تستهين بالأشياء الصغيرة يا صديقي. قف. لا تنسى أن تضع لايك. ولمزيد من الاستفادة تابع دروسي كاملة على قناة سوبر أكاديمو على اليوتيوب مع سوبر أكاديمو.